what's the news about like YouTubers, man? Today I'll be showing you how to make Funnymike's thumbnails. So first off, you want a photo of yourself. There you go. Yeah, that one. Alright, next you guys gonna want a background. That's the little blue background. Yeah, and then but remember to take a picture. It's a picture first, and then you're gonna want a shocking picture like my front of my picture right there. Yeah, you're gonna want a shocking picture like any type of picture based on your topic. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make that font and get the arrow. Yeah. Alright, so first y'all want to enter Pixellab. I mean, you wanna go to fonts link in the description. This is how you add it. You're going to find it in download, but I'll create a folder called fonts. You can do the same too. Alright, so I'm gonna add mine. Now I'm gonna type some. I'm gonna like type front of my thumbnail. Like thumbnails. No, I'm gonna center it. Go to assign, put middle one. Yeah. Now you're gonna go to this fourth one on this and change the background. Yes. Make it bigger. Go to text. Center it completely. Now save image. Now you're gonna go to Photoshop. Alright, we're at Photoshop. So now create a new folder. It can be any type. Right? I'm just gonna put original YouTube, but it could be anything. Now the picture that you just took, add it to your folder. Make it as big as you like. Nah, you gonna put that. Change the color to the light blue. Now click angle, put it at like 292 or so. You can make it better, like go 293 or so. We should turn out the blur, by the way. You can go 293 to 310. So that's how it would look. So safe. I actually like that so. Now save the gallery. Make sure you have PNG. And save. I create a new project, blank documents. Now you have to type this 1280 or 720. Alright, save that. Alright, we create a new project, so let's do it. Add the photo, your background photo first. Alright, I'm size it up because it's too small. Alright, now empty layer. Use that square thing, surround it, and turn it to any color you like. Then strokes. Not even realizing fill. Alright, you wanna have fill, make sure. So you have two options. Either you put it to 50, or you can do that overlay. So I'm gonna put it to 50. If you can do the same if you have like a lighting background. Yeah, so put it at 50 because overlay just take out things. So put it at 50. I actually like it too. Now you're gonna add the first person picture that I told you you needed. Now you go surround it with that pixel thing. So first you want to switch the, you know what I said. Now there's like a thing at the bottom right. Y'all can see that. Now y'all gonna have to click on that, do all the different stuff. Bring it all the way around your body. So for the new, yes, this is how you do it for the new person. So let's do it. I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Alright guys, final touch. Now y'all wanna connect it back to the circle. Yes. Now y'all wanna turn off that you have. But extract that, make sure to turn off your pointer, go back to square, and then just shut that out the glowing thing on it. Now you can set it how you want. There you go, like that. Now you're gonna fill stroke. So you're gonna put on stroke. Put on white stroke. You can make it a little better if you want. Then go to glow and change it to white glow. Can make that a little bigger too. The blur I'm talking about. Yeah, make that a little bit. And now you wanna take the next picture that you have. That would be my Funnymike picture. Add that picture. Alright, now you want to go to the circle option. Yes. Then take a one pointer back, and now you want to create a circle, any type of circle. That looks good. Nope. No, that's an oval. Man. No, that's an oval still. I think I like that. I'm gonna stick with that. Think I got it. Good thing I tried again. Now, what you want to do? Take out mouse pointer, extract that. Make sure you take out the glowy thing. Put that square. You want to size it up. Do anything. Do some crazy things with it. Set it like how you like it. Wait, no, don't put the film stroke in it. Forgot. Duplicate it before you. If you don't like it, don't duplicate it. I'm gonna do 2 touches before I duplicate it. And we'll turn. Yeah, I think I like that. Do I like it? Yeah, I like it, man. No. A little bit bigger. A little bit over to me. So, that right there good. Yeah, I think that good. Yeah. Now you can duplicate it as you like it. Now, you want to go to the bottom one, put the film stroke, put it as the blue that you have on the background color. Then you gotta make it a little bigger. Say like 41 or so. I'm pick 41. So now you're gonna go glow. No, that's not glow. I mean drop shutter. I'm sorry. Now then you wanna go to the top one and kind of shift it a little. To how it still looks like it's in. So shift it a little bit around, like see like that. Turn on snap if it's hard for you. So. Yeah, Funnymike always has some like this ways, yeah, so yeah. Then you're gonna add the arrow. Did you guys have this problem again? Alright y'all, I'm back. If y'all have the same problem, put in Pixellab, turn off the transparent background, save it to your phone, and yeah, you got it. So you want to turn it around now. Make sure you like it. Just set it to a way like you like it. It's just pointing to the picture though. No, I don't want it behind Funnymike. So I'm gonna move Funnymike's down a little bit. Oh dang. Make sure I have the same position. Now put it behind me, and we can edit it to make it look a little bit better. There you go. Man, Funnymike is great. Alright. Now, so let's add the photo that you had with Photoshop that you made in Photoshop and Pixellab. So now you size it down, put it the way you like it. I'm gonna turn off Snap here. I like that. I like that, honestly. Funnymike has a great editor. So you know you have Funnymike's thumbnail. You know how to make Funnymike thumbnail. So man, hit like button, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment down what you want next, who you want next, and now all you have to do is just save it to your gallery. Yeah, there you go. Save it to your gallery, and you're done. So yeah, man, peace out.